So this is how it looks after cutting up like 37 clients in one day. I put all the nasty tools in this little rag. Some soap for rinse and just wash it off. Just give it a good scrub. So with these you gotta be careful because sometimes there's like a blade inside. And if you don't take it off, you could cut yourself and you're gonna have to go to the hospital. Because one time that happened, helicopters picked me up. It was a big bill.
Yeah, show your finger.
Look right here. So on the first step, yeah, you have to just wash everything with soap and get all the hairs off, prepare it for the disinfecting. This is only the first step. Alright, so we're all done, everything's good. Now we're just gonna take it inside. So this is where I have all the cleaning equipment. So I have these, this is for the clippers. This is what kills all the germs. Alright, so right here you just lift this up, put it to the side, and you try to fit in as much as possible. I usually start off with the guards like this. Just put the smallest ones first and then go up from there. And from there just put in the combs like here on the corner. Try to fit in as much as you can. Alright, so now that everything's in here, you have to wait 15 minutes. And as you can see, the time right here, we have to wait until it's 8:47. By that time, we're gonna have to put in the next set, which is right here. Alright, so now we're gonna use this while we wait for this to cool down. And you just start off by dipping it in. Just try to dip in as much as you can. It's like some Gatorade. You always start off with the lever open. So you dip it in like this. You just dip it in for like 10 seconds. As you can see, all the nasty hairs are coming out. It's a lot of hair. It's pretty nasty. After 10 seconds pass, you go down one notch. Try not to go too deep because the water comes out or the liquid comes out. Another notch, another one, and another one. So start, just leave it here for a little bit and you're good. After this, after you're finished, you grab a towel, something. Make sure it doesn't fall. That way the water could go down, not the water, the liquid. Alright, this one. That's how it looks after the second one. Next up, the shavers. A lot of people, I guess they don't know how to do them, but it's the same thing. But first, let me just show you guys something. Look at what's inside of this. You gotta go like this and look at everything that comes out. So you gotta scrub them, and on each one you just give it a little scrub. Put these back. Just put this back on. This part right here, this liquid just goes inside and it just washes everything out, and it's gonna make like black puddles of pretty much this. Those black puddles. Don't dip it in all the way. Just get the foils. It should look kind of grimy and crusty. You just dry this off, clean area, and you take it off once again, and you dry it. Take off all the nastiness. This should look a little better. There's still some spots that you just gotta scrub it off. Right here, it's just, you just gotta dry it off a little, and yeah, you're set. From here, you just put this over here, kind of resting like this. Same way. I just put the little case on. Alright, same thing with these. Don't dip them in too deep because the water is gonna get in the motor, in the V8. Alright, this one's the same thing as the golden one. I just scrubbed it right now. I don't use it as much as that one, but I'm still gonna clean it. Alright, now that the time's up, take this out. So you just lift this up. And there you go. Last but not least, this guy. This one, we wait 10 minutes. See, there's like a lot of hairs here. Gotta get in there. This is a crusty chair. It cost me $100, but it's pretty good. Scrub it. Scrub it. Next week is when you switch the liquid on the Barber side. That's it. That's everything.